Welcome to weatherbriefings.com. This is your morning update for southern Michigan and northern Ohio. We're looking at some headlines this morning, some fair weather to start this week, today and tomorrow, but we will see some snow showers likely for Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday morning, and we'll also look ahead for a chance of snow that comes in for the middle of next week. First, let's take a look at our infrared satellite imagery. Here we see a system in the northeast that's coming into Maine. There are some snow showers associated with this system this morning, and also some moisture off to the west that's coming in across Wisconsin and Illinois. And this is be associated with the next system that will be making its way to us by early to afternoon tomorrow and into Wednesday morning. We anticipate this system to drop a couple of inches here across southern Michigan and even 1 to 3 down here in northern Ohio. Taking a look at our radar mosaic, we can see the snow showers that are entering into Maine and into New Hampshire and Vermont. And we also see the large band of snow showers from Minnesota stretching all the way down into Kentucky this morning, and a lot of mixed precipitation is appearing up in central and southern Illinois. This is a system that, again, will be making its way across to the Great Lakes region, and we see that looks like some of the heavier precipitation currently associated with this is in the southern part of the system. So we may see some lighter snow accumulations in the LP of Michigan and some heavier accumulations down here in northern Ohio. Looking at our temperature and wind analysis for the next couple of days, we'll see that we start off with some winds coming out of the east, noted by the wind barbs there, and as that system passes Tuesday into Wednesday, we see our direction change back around to the north and even northwest a little, and we notice that from the color gradient up here that our temperatures really won't make it much out of the mid-30s, and we will see dips down into the 20s and teens, especially back into Iowa and Minnesota. Up here for Ohio and Michigan, we will start off with some very cold temperatures today into this evening, and we expect that this will coincide with a slight warm-up once that system moves past with the moisture associated with it. But temperatures will be certainly cold enough to have snowfall in this region, and we won't see much of a warm-up until hopefully later this weekend. Looking at our computer models now, we can see there is the system that is moving in from the west, making its way. This is Tuesday at around 2 o'clock, Tuesday in the afternoon. We see it's just to the outside, just to the west of both regions here in southern Michigan and northern Ohio. And as it progresses into the evening, the precipitation does pick up and the moisture in the area, and we definitely see that here's our line that kind of denotes where cold air is located, and this definitely is entrenched in the Great Lakes region. So this should be an all snow event. There may be some rain mixed in first thing in the morning tomorrow. It's indicated by this little pocket down here. Michigan shouldn't see any rain, but northern Ohio may see a little bit before it transitions to all snow. This system should move out by certainly early Wednesday morning in Michigan, and or early afternoon in Ohio. And our next chance for a system comes middle of next week. It'll probably start off as rain associated with a cold front. It wraps around here, so this will be all rain in this region starting on Monday, and we won't see the transition to snow until possibly early Tuesday morning in the western part of lower Michigan, and that'll transition to all snow later in the afternoon for all of Michigan and even into Ohio. And there may be a secondary system that passes just behind it with a shortwave later towards the end of next week as well. So for a recap, we'll have fair weather for today, maybe some breezy conditions, and it'll be quite chilly, and we'll see some snow showers and move in tomorrow afternoon into evening, and they may linger over into Wednesday morning. and we'll keep you up to date on the chance for more snow beginning to middle of next week. And I am meteorologist Jeff Nelson for weatherbriefings.com. Thanks for tuning in.